Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me for today's tutorial. So today I'm going to explore with you how to reflex a rose. So this method is actually really popular, very in vogue at the moment with floral artists, and actually it's an easy way to use up roses that are fully bloomed. You can't actually do this process to a rose unless it's fully developed. If it's in bud form, it won't work. So you need to take a rose that's pretty much fully developed, and then the process is literally slide your finger into the base of the petal and gently stroke it back on itself. Now you'll feel when you've done it right, because you'll feel the petal actually bends. It sort of flicks back on itself, hence reflex. So repeat that with all of the petals, all the way around the rose. Until you create a fully bloomed open rose. Now it has almost a gardenia appearance to it. Also, if you're using a rose that's two-toned, it will actually show off the dual colours within the petal. Now this variety is Miss Piggy. You can see by reflexing the petals you get that deep yellow tone as well as the coral on the tip of the petal. Gently tease the centre open, and there you have it. So cutting these off really short and actually floating on the top of a bowl of water with perhaps some water candles as well would be really pretty, and a really cheap, effective and quick and easy table decoration to achieve. They're also really popular for wedding work and free-flowing natural designs. So let me show you once again. Do it with a lilac rose this time. Exactly the same process. So your finger slide down into the first petal and gently tease it back against your thumb. Continue all the way around the bloom. It's not really detrimental to the longevity of the rose in the respect that it will stay in water quite happily. The only thing I would say to you is it's really difficult to avoid bruising when you actually do this process. So if you're using white roses, you literally wouldn't be able to do them any sooner than the day you want to use them. Bruising would become so evident. So pretty and full, and actually captures the beauty of the quintessential garden rose, despite the fact that it's actually a traditional florist styled grown rose. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has inspired you to employ this technique in your own floristry work and explore different ways of bringing shape and texture into your compositions. I'm Debbie, and I've enjoyed demonstrating this new technique to you. I hope it's inspired you, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. And don't forget, if you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share with your floristry friends or anyone floral. Leave comments in the box below if you've got suggestions on how you can use these, or indeed if you've actually worked with reflex roses before in your own floristry. Until the next time, I look forward to seeing you then. Bye for now.